Hello, let's talk today how to enable the FI12 in S4HANA again. FI12 was not available for the release 1610 and 1709. Using this SAP note here, we are able to re-enabling of transaction code FI12 for maintaining house banks. Okay. Down here you have all information and steps to apply this SAP note. Let's get here my database, transaction code FBZP. This database is already applied for the SAP note. This field house banks, now we are able to check these fields without error message. Using the local company code, I am able to hit new entries to create house banks, enter bank country and some bank key. Over there we have the bank account screen again available to be maintained. However, we are not able to input directly here. We have to check this button create bank account. This button will activate the WebDim Pro access. We have to maintain the right user role to be able to access here, and this is a shortcut to create bank accounts and account ID. Over here we are able to fill all information and finish our maintenance. This is very good. Using these steps, applying the SAP notes, we are able to transport bank accounts through request order, instead downloading XML through NWBC. Okay? See you around.